Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be showing you the new Monument Grill Mesa 400. So this one's a little bit smaller than the one that I have. So this is perfect for you guys that don't want a bigger grill. This is perfect for only about 400 and some bucks, and you guys get a 10% discount by using code Beginners Barbecue. So let's go ahead and show this bad boy off. All right, guys, so now that you've seen the new Monument Mesa 400, the wife specifically asked if I can make some chicken teriyaki. Because the last time I made chicken teriyaki was on the Traeger grill. She loved it, but she wanted that charred taste to it. And I needed to find something to cook on this Mesa 400 from Monument Grill. She said, can you please do that teriyaki chicken with that? So teriyaki chicken has been marinated for a couple hours, actually since this morning. So it's been about 4 hours. It's been in there. And so I'm excited to try this. She's in there making some white rice to go with this. So let's go ahead and fire up that Monument Grill. All right, look at this beauty. Let's go ahead and start her up. All right, let's close it up. All right, let's go ahead and add this chicken in here. So if you can see this, the grill grates are kind of black. These are porcelain cast iron cooking grates designed for oven cooking, and it helps with not getting stuck. It doesn't stick to it. So this is very nice. This one has 690 square inches of total cooking area. Not bad. And so this is only $459. But if you guys, I'll leave a code in the link. So you guys can get a 10% discount. All right, these are 165 internal degrees. They're ready to come out. Let's take them out.